Hi Shamita, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you. Hi.
So first of all, congratulations for all the praises that Black Widows is getting.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Have you watched the series?
Yes, yes, of course I have. And I have to say that I laughed out loud on mostly all your scenes.
Thank you so much.
So Shamita, let me start you by asking what response has been for you personally. What are you getting from your friends, family, on social media? What response you are receiving?
Well, till now it's been a very positive response. I have a lot of people calling me and telling me they really enjoyed watching my character, and they enjoyed the show as well. So that makes me really happy because I think for me, after a very long time, I've had a release. It's a very different character that I've portrayed in this one, and yeah, just put in a lot of hard work. We worked during the pandemic. I don't know how we managed to shoot an entire web series in like what 40-45 days during the pandemic and put it out. But makes me very happy to know that people are watching it and they're liking it.
So Shamita, of course, this is like kind of a comeback for you. I think 3 years ago you did a web series on for Woot, and now this is a kind of a comeback for you. As we have been seeing you in reality shows, last year was Khatron Ke Khiladi as well. But for an acting thing, fiction thing, this is a comeback for you. So why Black Widows?
Well, I honestly, when I read the script, I really I loved it, and it made me want to find out, what next. You know what I mean? As soon as I finished one reading one episode, I didn't want to put the script down. I wanted to know what was going to happen next, and that was a good sign. And I'm somebody who goes purely on my instincts. Right from the start, my instinct just said, yeah, I think you should do it. And also when I was told who the other cast was going to be, I love the people playing their respective characters. I think all of them are really good actors, and I was looking forward to working with them. So it's a lot of things, a lot of reasons that sort of made me say yes to this. And also, I think at that time we were all on lockdown, and I was so bored sitting at home. I just wanted to start work. So it was amazing that this came at a time like that. I was more than happy to take it on and start my work.
So as I said, I was laughing out loud while watching you. You have given out your best when it comes to your comic timing is really good. But do you think that portraying a character which has to have that such comic timings is more difficult than portraying a serious role?
Well, definitely. I think for me, um, it was very difficult for me to sort of subtly portray Kavita, because Kavita to an extent is also somebody who's very loud, and she is that fun element. She is the one who will add that humor in really tense situations. So it was definitely very very difficult for me to portray something like this, because mostly in the past I think I've portrayed characters that were fairly serious or fairly stronger. This one was a character that I could not relate to at all in the beginning. Completely immature. She's just silly. She's stupid. She says and does stupid things. She's like a ticking time bomb. So to subtly be able to portray Kavita and not come across like you're overacting, I think was the challenge for me. And in that respect, I think Birsa, my director, really helped me out. He helped me understand my character better.
So Shamita, of course, you have been away from the big screen from quite a long time, and now OTT with web series, of course, I would say that you have to your metal as an actress. So are you open to be back on the big screen?
Yeah, I mean, I've never really consciously stayed away from it as such. And right now, I think web is the way to go, because not many people have the confidence to really go to a theater and watch a film. Uh, because of the pandemic, pandemic is still out there. So right now our source of entertainment is our TVs, on our entertainment on our phones, and I think web is a great option here, and it's a great platform to do work on, because they're churning out some amazing films, some amazing content, very different from what we've seen in the past. You've got directors and actors really experimenting with their work here, and it's a great time to be working on a platform like this.
So what's happening next after Black Widows? Where do we see you? Any web series or any digital film? Anything is there in the pipeline for you?
Well, I've actually done a film. It's called The Tenant. It's supposed to release sometime soon. I don't know. The pandemic kind of delayed a lot. So that should release soon. Apart from that, I've not really signed anything new. I wanted to wait for Black Widows to come out to see the response. Now let's see what I take on in the new year.
So Shamita, it was really nice chatting with you. All the best for all your future projects.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy New Year. Bye. Take care.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.